Good morning everyone. So today we will start a new topic, that is acid, base and salt. We all know that acid combines with base to form salt. The common form of salt that is present is called table salt, that is NaCl. Okay. So now we will start the properties of acid. What is acid? Anything which is sour in taste, changes litmus paper into red color, its pH is below 7, it reacts with metal to produce hydrogen gas. It changes the color of indicators. It neutralizes by the base. Solutions of acid when dissolved in water will produce H plus ion, which is the property of a acid. So now comes to base. What is base? The substance which is bitter in taste, whose pH is more than 7, it is slippery in nature, dissolve fat and oil, and it gives OH minus ion when dissolved in water. It neutralizes by acid and commonly used as cleaning product. In order to explain the concept of acid and base, three theories are given by scientists. First one, the Arrhenius theory. Second one, the Bronsted-Lowry theory. Third one, the Lewis concept. Okay, so now we will talk about the Arrhenius theory. It is first suggested by Swedish scientist Arrhenius. According to Arrhenius theory, the substances which can donate one H plus ion is called acid, while the substance which can donate one OH minus ion is base. Here in the example, we can see that HCl is giving one H plus, so it is an acid. Similarly, in the another example of NaOH, we can see that NaOH is giving OH minus when it is dissolved in water, so it is an base. So from this, it is clear that the substance which gives H plus when dissolved in water is acid, while which gives OH minus is base. It is the Arrhenius concept. Okay. Now we will see about the limitations of Arrhenius theory. According to Arrhenius theory, substances are explained as acid or base when they are dissolved in water, but certain substances dissolve in other solvents than water. Nothing is explained about this. Besides this, Arrhenius suggested that only the substance which can donate H plus are acid and which donate OH minus are base. But ammonia does not donate OH minus, but it turns the litmus paper and it is in base. So this concept is proved to be wrong and needs some revision. So another concept for acid base is given by another scientist, Bronsted and Lowry. In order to explain the definition of acid and base, another theory is given by two scientists, one is Bronsted and Lowry, which is known as Bronsted-Lowry acid-base theory. According to this, the substance which can donate one H plus is an acid, and the substance which cannot donate H plus is called base. But it is not truly correct, because BF3 is an acid but it cannot donate H plus ion. Similarly, more examples can be given which are explain that the Bronsted-Lewis theory is not fully correct. Now we will discuss about the third or the most accepted theory of acid and base, which is given by Lewis. According to Lewis, the substances which can donate a pair of electrons is called base, while the substance which can accept a pair of electrons is called acid. In the example, we can see that in the first one, BF3 is getting a pair of electrons from fluorine and form BF4. In this molecule, BF3 is getting electron, so it will act as acid. In the second one, we can see that ammonia, that is nitrogen, is donating a pair of electron, so it can act as a base. From this, it is clear that the substance which is giving electron is called base, while the substance which is accepting electron is called your acid. Now we will discuss about the properties of acid and base. So now we will discuss about the difference, that is acid is sour in taste, base is bitter in taste. They both conduct electricity. Acid turns litmus paper into red one, while base turns litmus paper into blue one. Acid reacts with metal to release hydrogen gas, while base react with acids to form salt and water. These are some differences between acid and base, and one common difference is that the pH of acid is always less than 7, while that of base is more than 7. Okay, so let's now we can see some indicators that indicates us about the acidic or basic character of substances, that are red cabbage water, red onion water, turmeric water, phenolphthalein indicator, bromomethyl blue indicator, red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, and universal indicator. Mostly we use the litmus paper, which turns red when react with acid and turns blue when react with base. So we can use turmeric as one of the best natural indicator. It remain yellow when react with acid, but it turns into red when it react with base. Thank you. This is a basic concept about the acid and base.